Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm super excited about today's because this is going to help so many people, especially at the moment with everything going on in the world, and finances are getting squeezed and even more every single day. I'm going to do a review of a company called Gamsgo, and they basically allow you to share premium subscriptions such as Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and loads more. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this, and you'll also find out how you can make money from this as well. So not only are you going to save money, but you could actually make money as well. So without further ado, let's jump across to Gamesgo and do a little bit of a review of it. Okay, so as you can see, come on to the Gamesco website. And it says at the top here, share premium subscription with a lower price on Gamesco. Okay, and as you can see here, it's got Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and you've got obviously loads more here as well. And as you can see, they've sold 907,000 Netflix subscriptions, etc. And as you can see here, their monthly total here is only €3.67, which is quite a bit lower of what you would normally pay for Netflix. So it's actually got 195,000 registered users. It's been operating for 3 years, and it's got orders of over 1 million orders currently. So let's just go and back up a little bit of what they say here. Been around for 3 years, so I went and obviously had a look and dived a little bit deeper into this. I also checked it out Trustpilot, and as you can see here, they have got excellent reviews. They've got over 1,200 reviews so far and a rating of 4.9, which is phenomenal. It's a verified company as well, and also they have claimed their profile. So that means they put extra bits onto their profile here. And as you can see here, it gives you a little bit about the company and where their company address is and their support and all that sort of thing. And also, as you can see on the reviews here, the Gamesco are actually replying to these comments. And as you can see here, this was a comment 2 days ago, and they replied within 24 hours, which is pretty good too. And you can go through this, obviously check out all the reviews here, but as you can see, everyone seems to be quite happy. And I must admit, I've tried it out myself, so I'm going to go and find out exactly how you can actually get involved with Gamesco. So let's just go through a little bit more about Gamesco. And as you can see here, it says it's a real-time delivery. So straight after payment, without waiting, you would then get access. You've got SSL certificate, so payments made by a secure environment, and has the SSL certification. It's suitable for co-subscribers. So in other words, you can share premium subscriptions at a lower price, and you get priority matches for co-subscribers of the same country. You also get a quick reset PDW, Hotworks, so it basically resets on your subscription page without waiting and manual operation too. You've got 24/7 live support, and I actually went on to their live support this afternoon, and they were pretty good, answered within a couple of minutes and sorted out the problem I'd had. And you've also got here, which is good to see, is a refund guarantee. Okay, so you can have a 1 to 20 days to request a refund, and obviously they show their refund policies here. Now they've got 98% of people are giving it an excellent review, and that's obviously been shown that when we visited the Trustpilot website just a minute ago. Now let's go and just check out a little bit more about the company. And as you can see here, it tells you what it's all about. It tells you the secure products, how they are stopping people getting scammed and hacked. The one that you're probably going to want to know the answer to is sharing access to a product or service legal? And he says the answer is yes, the group subscription plans are made for that. So that is obviously how they are able to do this. It says here the 24/7 online support has got instant response, and I found that when I actually used them, and the safe and easy payments as well. And you can pay via Visa, MasterCard, Amex, Ideal, Software, and loads of other Skrill, etc. So let's go and show you exactly how you can actually sign up for this system. Okay, so the best way to join is obviously look at the link in the description below here, where I've obviously shared my link to you. So just click on that link, then take you to their homepage, okay? And then all you have to do is obviously sign in for an account. So then what you need to do is choose the package you want to actually purchase. And as you can see, this is how it works. You get a premium plan, which is $3.67 a month. You get 5 people sharing one subscription. The mobile, you can have it onto mobile, PC, or the TV. It's 4K, and you can reset a password automatically on subscription page. Just go and join the subscription you are after. So just click on the subscription tab, and then you can obviously go and do one of the subscriptions. And that's all you do is you literally come in, just choose how long you want to use it for. Select how many screens, whether you want 1 screen or up to 5 screens. If you've got a promo code and coupons, then you can obviously access them there. And then you can go to payment, okay? And that's as easy as it comes, guys. Once you've actually chosen that, you can then obviously access the Netflix very easily from your account. And then all you do would literally just be going over to Netflix. Now, I haven't got a Netflix account, but obviously I've just gone and sorted one for this video. And you just click on the sign in here. And as you can see here, guys, you just click on profile 1. And I've got access to a Netflix straight away. And as you can see, you get everything in here that you normally get. All the series, films, obviously new and popular as well, and this would be the same with anything that you've chosen as well. You can get access to absolutely everything here, guys. So like I say, if you're looking to obviously get a cheaper subscription, Gamsgo is something that you really want to look at. But before we go, I promised you that you could actually make some money with this as well. And most of my subscribers, that is probably what you're more interested in. So all you've got to do is once you've got your account, and then come up to here where it says affiliate. Okay, and then you can just sign up as a Gamsgo affiliate. And then you would come into your affiliate area here. You would need to obviously sign up for an affiliate account. And then when you get accepted, you then get an affiliate link here. And this is obviously where you just copy and then you share this affiliate link. And this will then give you 20% commission for each order through your link. Okay, so if you have a considerable number of followers, subscribers, a high ratio commission will be offered. So in other words, the more people you get in, the more money you will make. So this is how you can obviously create a little income stream, as well as get all your top streaming services, etc., at a much cheaper price. So again, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you obviously go and grab Gamsgo now. Go and check it out and go and get your premium streaming services for much cheaper than you are getting now. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Also, make sure you watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to let us know in the comments below if you've already used this or if you're going to use it. Let us know what you're going to sign up to and what you're going to listen or watch or whatever. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.